Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are pleased to present this incredible 2020 plate Land Rover Defender 110, finished in the iconic Indus Silver. It comes with a black exterior pack, full service history and 12 months Land Rover approved warranty and roadside assistance. It also comes with around £4,500 of optional extras, including side steps, mud flaps, side exterior gearbox and a deployable side mounted ladder. This Defender is truly impressive. Around the back we have the iconic rear mounted spare tyre that Defender is renowned for, and when you open the tailgate you're met with a large and practical boot space. This Defender easily and quickly becomes a 7-seater, with third row seats that you can easily pull up, giving you room for 2 extra passengers. Step inside and the interior immediately impresses with its quality and practicality. The Resist and Resolve seats are tough and durable while still remaining comfortable. The front, rear and third rows are all spacious, giving plenty of room for all passengers. The dashboard is clean, modern and intuitive, with a central touchscreen putting everything at your fingertips, while a panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. At the front, the steering wheel gives you easy access to voice control, volume, lane assist, cruise control and heated steering buttons. Technology is impressive in this Defender, with heated seats, Navigation Pro, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and 3-zone climate control that ensures every occupant feels the temperature control. A 3D camera and clear sight rear view mirror make for effortless manoeuvring. The sunroof can be opened, increasing airflow and light on those warmer and sunnier days. The added side steps, ladder and gearbox elevate this Defender even further. This well specified and truly impressive Defender could be yours today. For more information or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.